Resources Recovery System EE21. Global warming. The world population currently stands at approximately 7 billion people and is set to exceed 9 billion by the year 2050. A population increase that carries the worrying prospect of increased carbon dioxide emissions. A particular concern is that incineration of industrial and non-industrial wastes leads to carbon dioxide emissions and the need for landfill sites. What is more, incineration does not eliminate garbage completely. There is always residual ash that requires disposal. This, in turn, produces further issues, such as land problems arising from disposal methods and the final landfill site. The incineration process produces harmful byproducts such as carbon dioxide, heavy metals, and dioxins. Measures to safely dispose of these dangerous substances are continually being sought. In particular, carbon dioxide is a major greenhouse gas, and reducing emissions has become a worldwide struggle. So, to date, what have we done to resolve these problems? Separate garbage by category and dispose of each category using appropriate methods, develop new landfill sites, and install filters to remove harmful substances. As you can see, many environmental programs have been implemented to deal with the huge volumes of waste. Even so, we at EEN did some thinking. The result was a resolution to throw out the concept of incineration itself. Resources Recovery System EE21 is a radically new and outstanding system that works on a non-burning, low-temperature pyrolysis principle to control emission of dioxins, particulates, and carbon dioxide, so that waste can be disposed of with hardly any burden on the environment. With EE21, there is no burning, so there is no need for chimneys. And with the exception of extraction of carbon and oil, there are no residues, so there is no need for secondary processing. EE21 is an incredibly earth-friendly waste disposal system. So what kind of disposal system is EE21? Let us demonstrate this non-burning, low-temperature pyrolysis system. We will start with the processes involved. First, the waste-filled furnace is filled with nitrogen, forcing out the oxygen. Thus, the oxygen is replaced by nitrogen. Second, the heat is increased to remove chlorine. Third, the waste is pyrolyzed at 450 degrees Celsius. As the waste is in an oxygen-free environment, there is no oxidizing, and the waste turns into highly pure carbon. Likewise, if the waste is plastic, oil, equivalent to heavy oil, can be extracted. Therefore, if your waste is plastic, with EE21, you can reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 99.99% compared to conventional incinerator emissions. Naturally, you can also look forward to almost zero generation of dioxins. What is more, as the EE21 uses low-temperature pyrolysis, it is a durable, safe, and easy-to-operate waste disposal system with a long working lifespan. We should point out, however, that the Resources Recycle System EE21 is more than just an outstanding waste disposal system. Its processing method also produces new materials that can be put to use again as resources. Organic waste takes on a new life as highly pure organic carbon that can be used as an alternative energy source or to improve soil and water quality, which means it can be put to work in agricultural and marine industries. This highly pure organic carbon can be used safely to grow healthy vegetables and cultivate marine products. What is more, the extracted oil can be used as fuel to power the generators that supply power to EE21. As you can see, the materials left after processing are reusable, which solves the problem of final disposal. No harmful material produced whatsoever. EE21 is a recycling-oriented system that aims to achieve zero emissions without fail. Furthermore, EE21 offers numerous economic advantages. The simple, compact system saves space. And being an all-purpose system, EE21 can handle various types of waste. You can select a system size that suits the volume of your waste processing needs. What is more, running costs are greatly reduced compared to regular incineration facilities. This means that you can look forward to generating new economic benefits from the resource materials produced by EE21. By using the Resources Recovery System EE21 with its non-burning technology, you can turn garbage into new energy resources, bringing back yesterday's rich, pristine global environment and providing tomorrow's energy. Resources Recovery System EE21. A system brought to you through the endeavors of EEN.